Hello kids, welcome to Uma's Knowledge Park. Today we are going to learn about air transport. So are you ready kids? Let's start. Air transport help people and things to travel through the sky. Let's learn some amazing flying vehicles. This is an airplane. It carries people from one place to another place. This is an helicopter. It can fly up and down. This is a jet plane. It flies very fast in the sky. This is a cargo plane. It carries goods and packages from one place to another place. This is a glider. It flies smoothly through the air. This is a hot air balloon. It floats high in the sky. This is a fighter jet. It is a very fast aircraft. This is a seaplane. It can land on water. This is a parachute. It helps people come down safely. This is a blimp. It floats gently in the air. This is a space shuttle. It travels into space.
8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis. A final visit to enhance the vision of Hubble into the deepest grandeur of our universe.
Bypass across the board, Scooter, no action.
Houston now controlling, Atlantis on its way. Atlantis on its way, all three engines now throttling down as the vehicle passes through the area of maximum dynamic pressure.
Atlantis, Houston, no action on the MPS H2 out P.
This is a rescue helicopter. It helps people in emergencies. This is a private jet. It carries a small number of passengers. This is a drone. It can fly without a pilot inside. This is a passenger airline. It carries many people around the world. Wow kids, today we learned about air transport. So kids, if you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe to Maz Knowledge Park. Bye bye kids, see you in the next video.